Good morning, this is Bill with Severe Radar Watchers. We're going to do an overview of today's severe weather outlook. As we're looking at it today, we've got a slight risk, as you see right here, for the upper Midwest. This includes Minnesota, North and South Dakota. We got another slight risk, level 2 slight risk, that includes Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, and Indiana. We'll zoom in here to this area here, this first severe slight risk. As you see, we've already got some thunderstorms and some heavy rain up here in North Dakota, central North Dakota. You see where all the slight risk is for today. You got Grand Forks, Waterton, South Dakota, Ferguson Falls, Minnesota, Bagley, and then you got your level 1 marginal risk that goes all the way down into the panhandle of, into Kansas, northern Kansas. The other level 2 slight risk mainly has Chicago, Evanstown, Rockford, Kenosha, Wisconsin, parts of Indiana. And you already see we got a marginal risk that reaches down into the extreme northern Tennessee, which includes Nashville, Lexington, Kentucky, Jefferson City, Missouri, and southern Illinois and southern Indiana, and southwest Ohio, including Cincinnati. We've got some rain and heavy thunderstorms at this time in this area. Then we got our general risk for showing in the light. This is your general thunderstorm risk areas. Now let's look at the tornado risk for today. We got two areas of tornado risk. We got a 2% for this area in North Dakota. Let's zoom in here. Langston, Harvey, and Belmont, North Dakota. Then over here in Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, we have a 5%. This 5% includes Kenosha, Wisconsin, Rockford, Illinois, Chicago, Evanstown, Aurora, Gary, Indiana, Michigan City, and then we have a 2% that includes Bloomington, Illinois, Lafayette, Indiana, Kokomo, Indiana, Freeport, Indiana, and Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And that's all the tornado risk for today. Now we'll look at the wind risk for today. See, we got a couple 15% wind damaging wind risk. You got your 15% here in the upper plains, including Fargo, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Aberdeen, South Dakota, parts of Wisconsin. Then a 5% risk that goes down into Nebraska and Kansas. Then we got another 15%, mainly where this level 2 slight risk is here in Illinois, Indiana, and Wisconsin. See again, Chicago, Joliet, Aurora, Kenosha, Lafayette, Indiana, Gary, Indiana, and then we got a 5% risk that goes all the way up into Lansing, Michigan, into all the way to Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, and then down into Nashville, Tennessee, Jefferson City. So that's your wind risk for today. Now let's look at the hail risk for today. And we are using the Radar Mega app. You can find it in your Play Store, Google Play, or your Apple iOS store. We have a 15%, this area right here is a 15%, but this is a significant risk area for hail today. This includes, let's zoom in here, Valley City, Jamestown, this is all North Dakota, Cavalier, Walhalla, Langdon, Devil's Lake. That's a 15% significant risk for large hail in South Dakota, in North Dakota. And then we got another 15% for damaging hail here for western Minnesota and northeastern South Dakota, all the way, and a 5% hail goes all the way down into Kansas, through central Nebraska into Kansas and most of central and western Minnesota. Then we got a 15% hail risk for damaging hail risk here in the same area as this slight risk. So if you're involved in this slight risk in the Chicago area today, in this area right in here, you should be aware of all hazards are possible today. Your damaging winds, your large hail, tornadoes. You need to stay weather aware, definitely in this area today. And then you got your 5% that goes up to Grand Rapids, Lansing, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Kentucky, Nashville, Jefferson City, Missouri, St. Louis, Springfield, Illinois. But today appears the main area of concentration is around the Chicago area, in this slight risk area, where all hazards are possible. Not saying anything about this. This has got a 2% and a significant risk for hail, but all hazards are possible in both of these level 2 slight risk area today. So be on a lookout for today for severe weather in these areas here and here. So stay alert, stay weather aware, follow your local meteorologist on TV, have your weather radios going, wireless alerts on your phones, have multiple ways of getting your alerts. So in these severe thunderstorms expected this afternoon into tonight over parts of the plains and Midwest Ohio Valley, include areas from eastern Dakotas to Illinois and Indiana. So be weather aware, be ready for severe weather today in these areas, and stay alert. Again, this is Bill with Severe Radar Watchers. Hope you all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.